If you've been looking to build your triceps right there at home using just bodyweight exercises, then this video is for you. Hey everybody, how you all doing? Peter Carvell here. Now, this week's Q&A question comes from Ashmet. I think I pronounced that correctly. And he asked, Peter, I am trying to build my triceps. I want to know, can I do it effectively at home using just bodyweight exercises? I don't have any equipment. And if so, can you show me some exercises? Well, number one, without a doubt, you can train your triceps very effectively and build them at home. In fact, some of the most effective exercises to build your triceps are bodyweight exercises. And it's one of those muscle groups other than my chest that I only ever train with bodyweight exercises. So there's no doubt in my mind that you can build your triceps and get them stronger right there at home. And that's what I want to do in this video. I'm just quickly going to show you quite a few exercises, starting with a few push-up variations, and then show you a few exercises using just your own body weight with almost no equipment, or equipment most of you will have anyway. So let's go through some of those exercises quickly. So there you go. Try and mix 2 or 3 of these to create a workout, but without a doubt, some of these exercises are some of the most powerful muscle building tricep exercises that you can do. So start incorporating them into your workout program, have fun with them, and as you will find out, some of them are pretty tough and some of them are a bit easier. So work within your own strength limit and then build up to the more advanced ones. So there you go, guys. Remember, I answer questions in next week's Q&A from the questions that people ask below this video. So if you have a question, stick it in the comments box below and I will answer that next week. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like this video. Please subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget, have fun out there and keep it simple. Bye-bye.